Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone doing well. So already everyone know, see my thumbnail and title, what I'm going to explain. Today I'm going to explain here quick Shopify store design professionally using free theme. It's a one product store and one niche store. Everyone can very easily design that. I'm going to share this system, how to do that. So let's get start. So let's start. Let's I have already stored, so I'm going to click here to start designing. So I'm going to start using this one down theme. I'm going to start using this one, and just a second. I'm going to publish that. I'm going to start the customization. Then you will get very professionally store. How you do that store design, you can get it. Give me a moment, it's loading. But I have a lot of video. I'm going to every time provide the lots of uh, product researching strategy I'm sharing. Just if you have a free time, just take it out of my other video. Then you will get the winning product very easily. So let's get start to customization. So I'm going to start the customization. Here is the system to customization. I'm going to very easily upload it. Okay, let's get start the background image. So let's get search the Shopify background images. Just click on it, search, and then click on images, and then you will get the like this system. This one is a very. I'm going to cut this writing. I'm going to cut it. Let's save it. I will remove the images, background images. Let's click the edit to fix that. The images later they have lot of text, so I'm going to remove it. Hide it and open it. Then let's okay. I'm going to retouch it very easily. So I'm going to click the color and I'm going to increase the opacity. Otherwise, I there take time. I'm going to edit it very easily earlier. Nobody can understand how I do that. I'm going to retest it. Very simple system. Okay. And if everybody see my video, please subscribe my channel also. If you enjoy this video, please like that, and then see my other video. Then you can get the winning product strategy. I already tell the about my first starting when I start video. Then I already share it. Just check my channel. Then you will get a lot of strategy about the dropshipping. I also share here about the dropshipping. I'm going to test the again this one like this one text. I'm going to finish it, and then I'm going to say source. Click on source. Then I'm going to click the text, and then I will retouch it very easily. And then I going to get that again this one and this one very easily, and then again I click the source. Then it's done. Again I go click to source, then here is a issue, some issues. Already done, it's done. So I'm going to save it. I very easily save it, and then let's get start to using banner image, upload the browse the, to select it, first banner image, to add the image. This one I already test it. I'm going to add it. Done. So let's select it here. Done. So here is a piece of product, and I'm going to add the section. I'm going to add the footer section. Subscribes. Need to Here is a text. I'm keep it. Need to keep it on it. Add blog. Let's keep it here. Tag section. Add feature collection. Add section. I'm going to add image, and I already done it. So I already add the, for example, I'm going to make the this one product. Let's I'm going to make the this one product. So I'm going to home page, go to home page, and I'm going to add the images, select image. I'm going to select this product like this image. I already downloaded all of them. So I'm going to text here the write the product. Let's go to product, and then I'm going to see the product description. Yes, create first, US first. So I'm going to click the product description. I'm going to make it this one. I'm going to write it this one. Cut it. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to design here some bold some letter. Then this one going to look like very good. I'm going to add the text here with the bold. This one is done. So I'm going to click here this one. I'm going to select the product. This one product, because I'm going to click here. This one is maybe I'm going to make the shop now. Then I done. I'm going to save it. It's done. And then I'm going to add the more description. Copy it into write this one. very easily. System. Great. I'm going to add section again, new section. Uh, Slideshow. I'm going to add these images. Try to add the images, more images than this store is going to look like more professional. And then to make it look like this system, going to very look like very professional. And I'm going to make the select the image, make it this own image. Good. I'm going to select the product, this one, because home page. Uh, let's create collection. Dual summary knife. I'm going to make the collection the knife. I'm going to add the images also. I have already these images to add this collection. Okay, I save it. Okay, it's done. So I am going to refresh it. Otherwise, I cannot find it. Okay, let's see what happening there. It's done. This one image is already gone. So I'm going to pick again. This one. I'm going to select it. Done. Then I'm going to select the product knife, because I'm going to make the knife store one product store. Then I'm going to make the collection. This one collection I make it. It's very good system. Select it. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to try to save the images. I have a good one. Home decor, look like home decor. This one look like very good. Done. It's really done. If you want to see that, then you can see the very look like professional image. I'm going to remove the, to add the block. This one I'm going to extrude this one. Oh God. Feature collection, I'm going to remove it. Then we got the only one product study is done. Very easily you will make it very easily professional product description. And once anybody click the product description, then you can set it here. Let's see that you can see the product description. I will make it. There have product description system. Here is all of them. So I already done it. So let's again go the customization. Then we can preview it very easily. So let's see the preview of the store. Wow, I can modify also this one column also. Welcome our store. It's done. I can also when you done you make the name, then you can try to change it. Here is a catalog. You can also add the other system, like when you click it here, then you can see the catalog. You can design it here very easily. You can see middle one is done. You can add here the logo. Also catalog, you can see the catalog also. Here is all option. So I am going to try to make the again. Here is a contact system, here is a search system, everything is done. You can make it very easily. Here is the option, all of the option you can change it. Whatever you want, you can change it here from here. So I already done it. So everyone, I hope everyone understand how I make the design. You can, if you want, you can add the lot of system, add section. Here is all of the section. You can add also the video. If you want, you can add also the video, product video. Very easily you can also add also the product video. I already added it. So let's try to add the video. So maybe I have a product images, give images. You can also add the images. Select the video. Maybe I don't have video, so I need to make the video. Give image I have, so I'm going to change it. Give image to video. So I will search it. I'm going to make it very easy system. You can do that. Very easy system. This one is give image. I'm going to make the video. This one. I'm going to upload it to image. Let's see the video. Please take time. It's done. So I'm going to convert to MP4. I need to make it square size, so I will make it after. I can crop here also. I'm going to crop here also. Crop the video. I can crop also from here. I'm going to make it square. To make it square, convert, crop it. I already crop it, and I'm going to save it. Save it. It's done. So I'm going to add the video here. Very easy step. Download. I save it. I open it. Then I will upload it. Very easy step. Everyone can make the using the free theme. You can make it very professional. Like my system, I already share it very professionally. So it's take time. So it's done. So let's edit it. Already it added. Everyone can see that. It's a very good system. It's done. So everyone already understand everything what I explained. So everyone can see that, like, do that like the system. You preview it. I'm going to cut it. It's good. It's look like very professional. Everyone can do that like the system. How I do that, everyone I already share. Everyone can do that very easily. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me and wait for the next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.